I'm going to show you how to install a damage meter or damage parser in Final Fantasy XIV. This is only possible via the PC or laptop version of Final Fantasy XIV and will not be possible for console players. It's also worth noting that Square Enix don't actually support this themselves, so always bear this in mind when using third-party applications or plugins. Now, the first thing we need to do is open up your preferred browser, open up Google and search for Advanced Combat Tracker, and then click on the top option here. This website looks like a relic from the past, but it is completely safe. And what we need to do is head on to the downloads section and then ignoring all of this down here, all you want to do is download Advanced Combat Tracker Setup. Once that's downloaded, just open up the exe file and go through the installation wizard as normal. Once that's installed, head on down to your search bar, type in ACT, and you will see ACT Advanced Combat Tracker here. And then just click on it. Upon opening the app for the first time, you will be greeted with a setup wizard. So just click next. From the drop down menu, select Final Fantasy XIV parsing plugin. As this application isn't actually specifically for Final Fantasy, it does cover many other games. Then hit the download enable plugin button on the right and give that a few moments depending on the speed of your internet and the speed of your computer. As you can see, the parsing plugin has been added and started. Press OK. Then press next. You will get another pop-up. Will act be used for Final Fantasy XIV? Just click yes. You can just enable auto load recently changed log files. Then click next. Make sure auto version check is enabled. Click next. And you can choose some color presets here, but you can just click close from here. Now, as we're on the main menu, what we need to do is head on over to plugins. And then from here in the top right, click get plugins. You may have to scroll around for this, but what you want to find is the overlay plugin and then select download and enable. Again, just give this a few moments and the plugin will be applied. Then just press OK. We can now close out of the get plugin box. And from here, we want to select the overlay plugin.dll tab. And then from here, we want to select new, which is in the bottom left. Now we can have several different overlays. So you just have to name it. So we'll name this DPS meter. And then under the presets, we'll have lots of different presets that you can choose from. So I would suggest just going through them and finding one that you really like. I am a big fan of the Ember overlay, so I'm just going to select that one. And as you can see, it's actually given us a preview of what it can potentially look like. We can actually move this around. So let's just put this down to the bottom right for now. And then we can click OK. And then let's just hide the main UI for ACT. So first things first, there's obviously lots of extra information and change logs here, which obviously you're not going to want to see. So from the get-go, to just remove all of this, in the top right, there's a little button and it's toggle collapse. So just press that and it will go all the way down to just showing the information that you actually care about. But again, pressing it again brings it all back up. You can hear in the bottom left, you can change between DPS, heal, tank, etc., etc. And in the bottom right, there is a cogwheel for more granular settings if you would like to change these and go through them. Another thing we could do is if you head on down to the bottom right corner, this only works in the bottom right corner, you can change the size of the window. So if you want it super compact like this, you can do that. Then you can press the collapse window just to neaten it up, and then you can move it somewhere that you would like. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to make this larger just for the moment, put it there, and just to show that it works, I'm going to run over to this mob, start hitting on it, and then you can see my DPS is now showing. That's all there is to it.